today's vlog, we are going to buy, unbox, assemble, compare, and activate the new Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. Let's go! Hello guys! So nandito na nga tayo ngayon sa Virgin Megastore dito sa Qatar. Ito na yung ating Pro 2. So yun na nga guys, nakuha na natin. So ang price dito sa Qatar, 2,099 Qatari. We are going to unbox our Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. So after opening the box, you can see here that we have a hex key. So we will use this for the handlebars. So you have to remove this one, the styros. So we will remove the scooter from the box. Then we have a spare tires inside with tube. Side stand. So we will just remove the plastics. So inside the box, you will see the scooter itself, of course, manuals, charger, tire extension tube, Allen wrench, an extra set of tires and tube. So we are now going to assemble the handle tube. So these are the nuts and the Allen wrench. So that 2 bolts goes here, and then in the front, 1 and 2. Then tighten it manually. Here in front of me, we have the two versions of Xiaomi Pro. One in the left is the M365 Pro, and on the right is the Electric Scooter Pro 2. The headlight on the M365 Pro uses 1 watt LED, while the M365 Pro 2 uses now 2 watts LED bulb. The brake cable before is red, and now it's black. They add additional reflectors in the front. Before, there is no reflectors. Now, they add additional one. So, as for the brake cable, so red and then black. They also add additional logo here. This is not sticker. I don't know what kind of print is this. Before, there is no print. So, in the front, before it's red and now it's yellow. Basically it's the same, no improvement. So at the back of the fender, before there is no rubber damper, as you can see, but now they add additional rubber damper, so for additional protection. So at the back they add additional reflectors and fender support system. So you can also notice that the Pro 2 have a bigger brake lights. Because of the fender support system, it is now sturdy and not wiggling. Unlike before, it's wiggling, shaking when you are using it on the road. Pro 2 dashboard, pedestrian mode, 5 kilometers per hour, drive mode, 15 kilometers per hour, and sports mode, 25 kilometers per hour. Before, in the previous version, we have the Eco and the drive mode and the sports mode. So we don't have the pedestrian mode before. So in the tail lights, you can clearly see, no, that the Pro 2 has a brighter brake lights. See? It's brighter because it's bigger. If you will notice, the Pro 2 has more focused light. This is to improve safety driving at night and to avoid headlight dazzle. So we will now open the scooter. So you notice that it keeps on beeping, meaning the scooter is not yet activated. So to activate, you have to download the Xiaomi Home app and then just press on the plus sign. So just click on Me Electric Scooter Pro 2. Press the power button to pair. Connecting phone to device. Device added. So done. So let's click the remote. Next. Let's get started. Okay, agree. Okay, so we need to update.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, then click done. Still it's beeping. We have to watch the video. This is for your safety, so watch the video. Continue. So you cannot continue until you finish the video. So it's now done. So you can now press continue. Then finally you can see here, activate. So we can activate now. So that's it. Your scooter is now activated and there is no beeping sound. Alright. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you will be updated in our channel. Thank you.